man, you watch a lot of nasty stuff, don't you? I don't really talk about that. And, I see you started recording on a video, so which means I know what's going to happen next, and I am, why are you calling me out on this? Because I just feel like it. I'm bored, I'm lonely, I'm tired, and I've read enough books to understand that you have some problems. Okay, fine, but how are you not sure that you're the one with problems? Because I know who I am. I know what I did. I know. You just know stuff, man. You just know. Anyway, I took his leg. I took his leg. I did it. I did it. What? Oh, okay. Okay. I have his leg now. I have his leg. Okay. Oh, well, I guess we can forget about this and move on and pretend that this never happened. I don't even remember what I was talking about. Are you going to eat that leg? What do you think? Okay, well, that happened.